Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive right into how to effectively use the search tool in Monday.com. First off, you'll want to locate the search bar. You'll find it on the top right-hand side of your screen. It's hard to miss. Now, the reason we start here is because the search bar is the gateway to all the data you have stored in Monday.com. It's your fast track to finding whatever you need in the system. Now that we've located the search bar, let's put it to use. Type in the keywords related to the item you're searching for. This could be a task name, a user, a status, or even a date. The importance of this step lies in its versatility. You can use the search bar to find just about anything in Monday.com, making it a powerful tool in your productivity arsenal. Moving on, once you've entered your keywords, hit enter. Immediately, Monday.com will display a drop-down list of items that match your search. This is the beauty of the search tool. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's accurate. The system sifts through all the data to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's say you're looking for something specific within a board or a group. Here's what you do. Click on the filter icon located to the right of the search bar. Select board or group, then choose the specific one you're interested in. This refines your search and helps you narrow down the results. Finally, hit enter again. And voila! The search tool will display only the results from the board or group you selected. The reason we do this is to streamline the search process, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. It's all about saving time and making your workflow more efficient. And that's it. You've mastered the search tool in Monday.com. Think of it as your personal assistant, helping you find anything and everything with just a few keystrokes. With this tool, you can cut through the clutter and stay focused on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep making the most of Monday.com.